Srimatre Namaha. The third Nama in Sri Lalita Sahasranamam is Srimad Simhasaneswari. Srimad Simhasaneswari means Mother Lalitambika, as she is the Queen of Queens of all the universes, she is sitting on the asana which is guarded by lions. Mother Lalitambika uses the lions as her vehicle. Hence, she is known as the Srimad Simhasaneswari. The first three namas of Lalita Sahasranamam, Sri Mata, Sri Maharajni, Srimad Simhasaneswari, begin with the letter Sri. Sri means prosperity and wealth. The Bijakshara Sri indicates the goddess Lakshmi and goddess of wealth. These three namas also refer to the supreme nature of Lalitambika, the creator, the sustainer, the dissolver. Srimad Simhasaneswari Nama also conveys the worshipper of Lalitambika will attain all material prosperity.